Students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will be discussing illustrations on the topic royalties. Go to study note number 8. First, I will revise journal entries which we have already seen in the earlier video. If royalty equals minimum rent, then journal entries in the books of lessee are royalty account debit to landlord, landlord to bank, and profit and loss account debit to royalty. Every year royalty account gets closed. Similarly, landlord account also gets closed every year. But if you want to pass journal entries in the books of landlord, exactly opposite entries you are supposed to pass. Royalty becomes royalty receivable, and instead of landlord you would have lessee because you are passing entries in the books of landlord. So first entry would be lessee account debit to royalty receivable. Second entry would be bank account debit to lessee, and last entry would be royalty receivable account debit to profit and loss account. If royalty is less than minimum rent, that means minimum rent is more, royalty is less, and the difference between minimum rent and royalty is known as short working. Entries in the books of lessee are royalty account debit, actual amount of royalty, short working account debit, difference between minimum rent and royalty to landlord, landlord to bank, and profit and loss account debit to royalty. In the books of landlord, royalty would be royalty receivable, short working would be short working suspense. Exactly opposite entries you are supposed to pass in the books of landlord. So first entry would be lessee account debit to royalty receivable to short working suspense. Second entry would be bank account debit to lessee, and third entry would be royalty receivable account debit to profit and loss account. Sometimes minimum rent account is asked to open in the examination. In that case, the first entry is split into two journal entries. First journal entry, which is royalty account debit, short working account debit to landlord, it gets divided into two journal entries. These are royalty account debit, short working account debit to minimum rent account debit to landlord. Minimum rent 1 debit 1 credit gets cancelled, so net effect is royalty account debit, short working account debit to landlord. Minimum rent account is to be opened only when minimum rent is more than royalty. This is very important. If royalty is more than minimum rent and short working is recovered or written off, then entries in the books of lessee would be royalty account debit to landlord, actual amount of royalty, landlord account debit to bank to short working. This is recovery of short working, recoupment of short working which lessee has suffered in the past. Profit and loss account debit to royalty to short working. This short working is nothing but short workings which lessee could not recover, which is to be written off. In the books of landlord, exactly opposite entries to be passed. So, lessee to royalty receivable, bank account debit, short working suspense account debit to lessee, and royalty account debit, short working suspense account debit to profit and loss account. In the books of landlord, journal entries would be exactly opposite. We have seen this. Royalty account would be royalty receivable account. Short working account would be short working suspense account. Lessee account would be required. Now, We'll go to illustrations. We'll see first illustration. Bihar Coal Company Limited holds a lease of coal mine for a period of 12 years commencing from 1st April 2006. According to the lease, the company is to pay rupees 7.50 as royalty per ton with a minimum rent of rupees 1,50,000 per year. Short working can, however, be recovered out of royalty in excess of minimum rent of the next 2 years only. This is very important. Lessee can recover the short working in the next 2 years. This is fluctuating right. For the year of strike, minimum rent is to be reduced to 60%. In case if there is a strike in any year, then in that particular year only, minimum rent would be 60% of 1,50,000. The output in turns for 6 years ending 31st March 12 is, output for the 6 years is given 2006 7, 7 8, 8 9, 9 10, 10 11 and 11 12. These are the years. And 10,000, 12,000, 25,000, 20,000, 50,000 and 15,000. These are the outputs respectively for those years. And 11, 12 is the year of strike which is given in bracket. So in this particular year, minimum rent would be 60% of 1,50,000, and for all the other years, minimum rent would be 1,50,000. Write up necessary ledger accounts in the books of Bihar Coal Company Limited. You are supposed to prepare ledger accounts in the books of Bihar Coal Company Limited. Bihar Coal Company Limited holds a lease of coal mine. That means Bihar Coal Company Limited is lessee. It is very important to know whether you have been asked to write up ledger accounts and journal entries in the books of lessee or landlord. Now Bihar Coal Company is lessee. First, I will show you how to prepare journal entries. For that, you need to prepare working table, and this working table is very important for preparation of journal entries as well as ledger accounts. Recovery of short working in next 2 years. Next 2 years, following 2 years, subsequent 2 years. If you get these words, that means it is fluctuating right. If he suffers in the year 6 7, he can recover either in the year 7 8 or in the year 8 9. If he suffers in the year 8 9, he can recover in the year 9 10 or 10 11 and so on. In the books of Bihar Coal Company Limited, this table, same table is applicable for preparation of ledger and journal in the books of landlord as well as lessee. Columns are year, output, royalty at the rate of 7.50 per ton, minimum rent, short working. Short working has 3 sub columns: suffered, recovered, written off. Last column is amount payable to landlord. Year 6 7 output which is given. Royalty is 7.50 into 10,000. Minimum rent is 1,50,000. Now most important column, short working. Compare royalty and minimum rent. Minimum rent is more. He is supposed to pay royalty or minimum rent, whichever is more. So difference in minimum rent and royalty is short working which he has suffered, and amount payable to landlord is 1,50,000. In the next year also 12,000 into 7.50, 90,000 is royalty, 1,50,000 is minimum rent, 1,50,000 minus 90,000, 60,000 he has suffered. Amount payable is 1,50,000. Compare these two. More maximum amount he is supposed to pay. 8, 9, 1,87,500 is royalty. That is 25,000 into 7.50. Minimum rent will remain same, 1,50,000. Now royalty is more than minimum rent. So he can recover whatever he has suffered in the earlier years. Find out the difference in these two. 1,87,500 minus 1,50,000. 37,500 he can recover. Now whatever he has suffered in the year 6-7, he can recover either in 7-8 or in 8-9 because he can recover in next 2 years. So 37,500 he could recover, difference between royalty and minimum rent. Now the remaining amount he cannot recover, so it is to be written off. 75,000 minus 37,500 is 37,500, which is to be written off. Amount payable is 1,50,000. Amount payable is royalty or minimum rent, whichever is more, subject to recovery of short working. So 1,87,500 minus 37,500 is 1,50,000, that is amount payable. Next year 9, 10, 20,000 into 7.50 royalty 1,50,000, minimum rent 1,50,000. So he has not suffered anything. He cannot recover anything. Difference is nil. Amount to be written off is 60,000 because in the year 7-8 he has suffered 60,000, which he can recover either in 8-9 or in 9-10 because it is to be recovered in next 2 years. If he cannot recover it in next 2 years, then it is to be written off. So entire amount of 60,000 is to be written off. Amount payable is 1,50,000. In the year 10-11, royalty is 3,75,000, 50,000 into 7.50. Minimum rent is 1,50,000. Whatever he had suffered in the earlier year has become nil now. There is no balance in short working account. Royalty or minimum rent, whichever is more, subject to recovery of short working. No recovery of short working, so amount payable is 3,75,000. In the year 11-12, there was a strike, so minimum rent would be 60% of 1,50,000, which is 90,000, and royalty is 15,000 into 7.50, which is 1,12,500. Nothing to recover from earlier year, so amount payable is 1,12,500. This table is very important. Once you prepare this table, preparation of journal entries is very simple. Now we'll see journal entries. In the year 6-7, royalty account debit 75,000, short working account debit 75,000 to landlord 1,50,000. Royalty debit 75,000, short working debit 75,000. Suffered column short working, whatever you have to debit this. Simple to remember. Royalty debit, short working debit to landlord. Landlord to bank is the second entry. And last entry is profit and loss to royalty. Whatever you have in royalty account as debit, you have to give it credit. So royalty account gets cancelled every year. Landlord account also becomes nil every year. There won't be any balance. Second year, royalty account debit 90,000. Short working account debit 60,000 to landlord 1,50,000. Landlord to bank 1,50,000 and profit and loss to royalty 90,000. See here, royalty debit, short working debit to landlord, landlord to bank, profit and loss to royalty. Actually this profit and loss to royalty should be 90,000 and not 1,50,000. By mistake it has printed here 1,50,000. Just rectify this mistake. 90,000 is debit to royalty account. So royalty credit should be 90,000 and 1 lakh, not 1,50,000. Now 8-9, royalty account debit 1,87,500. Nothing in the suffered column. So royalty account 1,87,500 to landlord, 1,87,500. Landlord account debit 1,87,500 to bank 1,50,000 to short working 37,500. Short working in recovered column. Credit. Short working in suffered column. Debit. Remember this. So now we'll see the journal entry. Royalty account debit 1,87,500 to landlord 1,87,500. Landlord 1,87,500 to bank 1,50,000 to short working 37,500. This is recovery of short working. Profit and loss account debit to royalty to short working. This 37,500 short working is short working written off which cannot be recovered. Now 9-10, royalty account debit 1,50,000, nothing in this column, to landlord 1,50,000, landlord to bank 1,50,000, and profit and loss account debit to royalty 1,50,000 to short working 60,000. So short working in recovered and written off column credit and in suffered column debit. Royalty account debit 1,50,000 to landlord, landlord to bank, profit and loss account debit to royalty to short working. These short workings cannot be recovered, so to be written off to profit and loss account. Now 10-11, nothing in suffered column, nothing in recovered column, nothing in written off column. Very simple. Royalty to landlord, landlord to bank, and profit and loss to royalty. Amount is 3,75,000. For the year 11-12 also, royalty to landlord, landlord to bank, and profit and loss to royalty. Amount is 1,12,500. See 10-11 and 11-12. So this is how entries are to be passed. Only thing is for the year 7-8, profit and loss to royalty should be 90,000. By mistake 1,50,000 has been typed here, so just rectify the mistake. Now I will show you how to prepare ledger accounts. See here, royalty to landlord. So to landlord 75,000 in royalty account, by profit and loss account 75,000. It gets closed. Second year, to landlord 90,000, by profit and loss account 90,000. I asked you to rectify this. To landlord 187,500, by profit and loss account 1,87,500, and so on. We'll see royalty account to landlord, by profit and loss to landlord, by profit and loss to landlord, by profit and loss. Very simple. Now next is landlord's account, by royalty, by short working to bank. Landlord account also gets closed every year. First entry, royalty account debit 75,000, short working account debit 75,000 to landlord. Second entry is landlord to bank. Next year, second year, by royalty 90,000, by short working 60,000 to bank. Third year, by royalty 1,87,500, 37,500 he is recovering. So to short working 37,500 to bank 1,50,000. And in the remaining last 3 years, by royalty to bank, same amount. This is how landlord account is to be prepared. In short working account, you will have balance. We'll see now short workings account. First year, First year entry was royalty account debit 75,000, short working account debit 75,000 to landlord. So short working account to landlord 75,000 by balance carried down. Second year beginning, to balance brought down 75,000, to landlord 60,000 because here entry was royalty debit 90,000, short working debit 60,000 to landlord. So short working to landlord 60,000, addition of these two by balance carried down. Third year beginning, to balance brought down 1,35,000, same balance. By landlord 37,500, recovery of short working. By profit and loss account 37,500, short working written off. By balance carried down 60,000. Fourth year beginning, to balance brought down 60,000 and it is written off by profit and loss account 60,000. So only first 4 years. Then there is no short working either in suffered, recovered or written off column. Now go to illustration third. Same question, illustration first. You are supposed to pass necessary account in the books of landlord. We have already seen exactly opposite entries excuse me, are to be passed in the books of landlord. Only thing is royalty becomes royalty receivable, short working becomes short working suspense, and you need to open lessee account. Exactly opposite. See here in the books of landlord, royalty receivable account by lessee to profit and loss, by lessee to profit and loss, by lessee to profit and loss. Every year royalty receivable account gets closed. Lessee account to royalty receivable to short working suspense by bank. To royalty receivable to short working suspense by bank. To royalty receivable by bank by short working suspense. Recovery of short working. To royalty receivable by bank for remaining 3 years. Short working suspense account, exactly opposite of short working account, which we have seen in the books of lessee. By lessee to balance carried down first year. Next year beginning, by balance brought down by lessee. Name of the lessee is Bihar Coal Company. Addition of this, to balance carried down next year, by balance brought down to lessee 37,500, 37,000 is printing mistake. This is recovery of short working to profit and loss, short working written off to balance carried down 60,000, fourth year by balance brought down 60,000 to profit and loss, short working written off. Now we'll see second illustration. A Limited obtained from BS Limited a lease of some coal bearing land, the terms being royalty of 15 per ton of coal raised subject to minimum rent of 75,000 per annum with a right of recoupment of short working over the first 4 years of lease. So short working can be recovered over first 4 years. So if short workings cannot be recovered, whatever he has suffered at the end of fourth year, then it is to be written off, and after 4 years if there is any short working, if he is suffering any short working, then it is to be written off in that year itself. It is fixed right. From the following details show short working account, royalty account, BS Limited account in the books of A Limited. A Limited obtained lease from BS Limited. A Limited is lessee. You have been asked to prepare ledger accounts in the books of lessee. Year sales closing stock. 3 columns are given. Royalty is 15 per ton of coal raised, that is rupees 15 per ton of output production. So from this given information, first you are supposed to find out output, production, and for that you need one more column, opening stock. 2009 opening stock will assume nil, and whatever is closing stock of 2009, that will be opening stock of 2010. Closing stock of 2010 will be opening stock of 2011. Closing stock of 11 will be opening stock of 12, and closing stock of 12 500 would be opening stock of 13. Why? Because using one equation we will find out output. We'll see that now. Opening stock plus production minus sales is equal to closing stock. Now we are interested in finding out production. So production is equal to sales minus opening stock plus closing stock. So sales plus closing stock minus opening stock is production. Sales plus closing stock, 2000 plus 300 minus 0. So for the year 2009, output is 2300. 2010, 3500 plus 400 minus 300. 3600. 4800 plus 600 minus 400. 5600 plus 500 minus 600. 8000 plus 800 minus 500. That is how you are supposed to find out this output. Royalty is 15 per ton, so output multiplied by 15, you will get royalty. Minimum rent is 75,000. Short workings, you will have 3 columns: suffered, recovered, written off. Compare these two figures. Minimum rent is more, so that means he has suffered. Difference in these two is 40,500. Amount payable is 75,000, whichever is more. Next year, again minimum rent is more, so he has suffered. Difference in these two is 21,000, that is 75,000 minus 54,000 is 21,000. Amount payable is 75,000. Royalty or minimum rent, whichever is more. Next year, both are same, so he has not suffered, cannot recover anything. Amount payable is 75,000. Fourth year, royalty 82,500, minimum rent 75,000, so he can recover the difference in these two. 82,500 minus 75,000 is 7,500. Now recovery of short working in the first 4 years of lease. So after this, if he suffers in any year, he has to return off then and there itself. Now 7,500 only he could recover, so remaining is to be written off. So 40,500 plus 21,000, that much he has suffered. Add these two. From that, recovery is 7,500. So remaining amount is to be written off. 40,500 plus 21,000 minus 7,500 is 54,000, which is to be written off. Amount payable is 75,000. Royalty or minimum rent, whichever is more, subject to recovery of short working. So 82,500, royalty is more, minus 7,500 recovery, so 75,000. Next year, royalty is more, there is no question of recovery, so same amount is to be payable, which is 1,24,500. Now if you prepare a royalty account, every year royalty account gets closed to landlord by profit and loss account. If you prepare landlord account, you have to be very careful. Landlord account also gets closed every year. Now first we'll see royalty account to BS Limited landlord by profit and loss account for all the 4 years, amount of royalty. Now landlord account by royalty by short working to bank. This is short royalty amount, this is short working suffered amount. So by royalty by short working. to bank, because first year entry would be royalty account debit 34,500, short working account debit 40,500 to landlord, landlord to bank 75,000. Second year also he has suffered, so by royalty 54,000, by short working 21,000. By royalty, by short working to bank. Third year he has not suffered, he has not recovered, so by royalty to bank. Fourth year by royalty 82,500, but he has recovered 7,500, to short working 7,500, to bank 75,000. Last year by royalty 1,24,500, to bank 1,24,500. Now we'll see short workings account. First year entry is royalty account debit, short working account debit to landlord. So short workings to landlord 40,500. To BS Limited, landlord 40,500, by balance carried down. Second year beginning, to balance brought down 40,500, to landlord 21,000. See here, second year he has suffered 21,000. Total of this is by balance carried down. Third year beginning, to balance brought down 61,500. Same balance by balance carried down 61,500, because third year he has not suffered anything, no recovery. So whatever is balance brought down, same balance is balance carried down. Fourth year, to balance brought down by landlord, this he has recovered 7,500, remaining is to be written off to profit and loss account. So by landlord, by profit and loss account, at the end of fourth year, short working account gets closed. In this particular video, we have seen journal entries in the books of lessee and illustrations showing preparation of ledger accounts in the books of lessee as well as landlord. Thank you.